Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I did normal, regular boxer braids on myself. You asked me if it's still possible with the shorter hair, so I had to try. Like I told you, the short hair makes me try styles, and yes, I achieved it like you saw already at the beginning. Part your hair in the middle, from the front until the neck. Then I take my left hand side and make a ponytail to have it out of the way, and I'm going to start to braid my right side. For that I'm applying gel. I have the front hair a bit shorter and I have tons of baby hair, and the only way to tame them is with hair gel. So this is what I apply with the toothbrush to the edges and around the part line, and then I take a small, very small portion, not tiny portion, but a small portion, part of the hair from the front. The top strand goes under the middle, then the left under the middle, and then when I take the top strand again, I add in hair. Now it goes under from the left hand side, and every time I bring it under, I add in some hair. If you pull the hair, especially from the sides, straight underneath the middle strand to the hair that you just brought under, then you have a neater effect. And as my hair was loose the whole day, if you wear a ponytail, then if you have a high ponytail, then the hair goes already to the direction, to the top. But here I just have to help from time to time with the brush or with the comb, just to bring it neatly up to the braid. Keep on braiding, just pull enough. It looks harder than it feels. So I'm taking the index finger behind the ear and the index finger from the middle part line to always make sure that I bring in all the hair that I need, so that nothing hangs loosely out. You can always try with your fingers, go over your neckline and check if you brought all the hair in, and then I leave about 2 inches out at the very end, and then I'm adding a clear elastic. Here again I apply the gel around the hairline and then also along the parting, and I sometimes use more gel for the length to make sure everything sticks together. So again, take a portion from the front, split it into 3, top goes under the middle, right goes under the middle, top goes under and we add in hair, right goes under and we add in hair. And you see when I add in the hair, I pull it in the direction where I want it to go. You see? You take it with the middle, with the index finger, and then pull it right under the strand. Make sure that the angle you are braiding is more or less the same angle than you did on the other side, you see? Otherwise, they will look strange. If one is more by the side than the other, it does not look neat. So, if you need more gel, you just add in more. And then when I reach over the ear, I change a bit the position of the fingers because my hair is quite thick and I cannot hold it only with my fingertips. I bring through the whole finger and I hold it, the strands separated in the gaps of my fingers. Here you see, I always check if I have all the hair from the neck, and then I do some more stitches after there's no more hair to incorporate, and I try with the other side to check that they are more or less the same length braided. And this is how they turned out. Here was something sticking out, and then I do some of the baby hairs just with a bit of extra gel and this little tiny comb. You can use some hairspray too if you want. You see, they reach just until my neck. This is the final result for 2 boxer braids on shoulder long hair. I hope you like the result. If you do so, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hope to see you back soon. Bye bye.